Lisbon is an ancient city, carved by time and shaped by the ceaseless conversation between land, culture and people. A dialogue that echoes through its hills and river, continually inspiring new visions of what's yet to come. That is why in 2027 we are inviting the world here, to gather the global ecological restoration community in a city and a region that embodies both beauty and urgency. Restoration is no longer optional. Climate change, biodiversity loss, land degradation, these are crises that we all face. But they are also calls to action. And the good news is, restoration works. It's happening right now with real people, in real places, restoring real ecosystems. At SER2027, we will bring together researchers, land stewards, companies, NGOs, policymakers, among a wide range of stakeholders to catalyze action. Here in Portugal, we're restoring coastal dunes with native plants to shield them from erosion and rising seas. We are working along riverbanks to recover riparian habitats, reconnecting fragmented landscapes and making space for biodiversity to return. We're restoring seagrass meadows alongside fishing communities who depend on healthy coastal ecosystems. In old limestone quarries, we're witnessing how long-term ecological planning can bring life back to once exploited landscapes. We're replanting native forests from the heart of the Atlantic, the Azores, to our highest continental mountain, rebuilding function and resilience in ecosystems ravaged by biological invasions and wildfires. In our agricultural landscapes, we are learning how traditional practices like the iconic Mediterranean montado and cereal farming in our golden steppes can support both food production and biodiversity. We are transforming urban spaces, creating wildflower meadows, planting microforests and involving citizens in making cities better for all. As we move through a decisive decade for ecological restoration, we must turn goals into grounded action and bridge scientific knowledge with the realities of people and places. SER 2027 will be the space to ask how can we make restoration projects more inclusive and more impactful, not only ecologically, but socially and culturally too. Come to Lisbon. Share your knowledge and know-how, your challenges and your vision. Let's inspire each other. Let's build new partnerships. Let's show the world what restoration can achieve together. We hope to see you here.